Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home and hope you all are safe in the house. Okay. I am also fine and safe, students. Good. Hope you all are doing and checking your answers with problems in the first lesson. Within 2 classes, I will complete this lesson. Okay. So we will go to the next lesson. That is also somewhat easy. Okay. Not much difficult. So today we are going to see the 16th illustration and the problem. Now we are in the process of learning how to prepare the final accounts in incomplete records. Since we do not have the full information as we have in the double entry system, since they do not follow the double entry system in incomplete records, we get only a few information. With that information, we are calculating the other information which are needed to prepare the final accounts. That means the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So, here we have completed to calculate how much is the credit sales through debtors account and the bills receivable account, and to calculate the purchases or either the credit purchases from the bills payable account and the total creditors account. Okay, now separately we have seen each one. Separate first total debtors account, then bills receivable account. Then we have seen how to calculate the credit purchases from the total creditors account and the related bills payable account. Now we are going to see all these together in a problem, 16th one. Okay, so first let me show the illustration how it is done. Okay, from the following details, you are required to calculate credit sales and credit purchases by preparing total debtors account, total creditors account, bills receivable account and bills payable account. So, opening information, debtors, bills receivable, creditors, bills payable, closing given. Then the other information, cash received from debtors related to debtors account. Then discount allowed to customers. This also related to debtors account. Then cash paid to creditors account. Discount allowed by suppliers, creditors account. Payments against bills payable. This one bills payable account. Here cash received for bills payable, bills receivable account. Bills receivable dishonored, bills receivable account and the debtors account. Then bad debts, only debtors account. Okay, so how it is prepared as usual only, how we have done. Okay, first bills receivable account, opening balance, the credit side closing balance, then the credit side cash received from the bills, cash received, then debtors. Okay, that bills receivable dishonored. Then the balance is the debtors account, bills received account. Okay, then debtors account, that opening balance debit side, then cash received, then discount allowed, bad debts, then this from the bills receivable account, that 11,200. So that one bills receivable received, then the debit side bills receivable dishonored. Then the balancing figure, credit sales. Then in the credit side, last item is the closing balance. In the same way, bills payable account. Okay, bills payable account, opening balance credit side. Then payment made to bills payable, so to cash. Then closing balance debit side. Then the balance amount is sundry creditors. That one bills accepted. Then the last account is total creditors account. Okay, total creditors account. Okay, that one balance credit side, then cash paid, then discount received, then this one bills payable from the bills payable account. Okay, to bills payable. Then the closing balance given, Then the credit side purchases is the balancing figure. Okay, now we will do the 16th exercise. Okay. See, 16th exercise. From the following details, you are required to calculate credit sales and credit purchases by preparing total debtors account, total creditors account, bills receivable account and bills payable account. The balance, opening balance, closing balance, the other information, okay, given. So, this one, first we should prepare that credit sales. For that one, first bills receivable account and total debtors account. Then bills payable account and total creditors account, okay. Okay, listen carefully. It is by seeing all the information we may not get scared. Okay. First one, bills receivable account. I am using only one page, but you should use both the pages. And in the video, I cannot accommodate the whole 2 pages. Okay, that's why I am using only one page. Okay, bills receivable was first to balance brought down. Bills receivable, opening balance 30,000. When we write, we should write carefully. Okay, bills receivable, opening. Then the other information. Okay, then closing we should write. Before that, we can write, I think. Okay, by balance. If we forget, we can write like this. Okay, by balance carried on. Bills receivable 8,000. Okay, then the other information, first one, cash received from debtors, it will not come. Then discount allowed to customers, no. Cash paid to creditors, no. Discount allowed by supplier, no. Payment against bills payable, no. Then cash received for bills receivable. So, cash account debtor to bills receivable. So, bills receivable is credited. So, by cash account, 60,000. Then bills receivable dishonored. For this one, again we need to debit the debtors account. We should credit the bills receivable. So here by debtors account. Here you should write bills dishonored. Okay, 4,000. That's it. Okay, all the items we have entered. Closing also we have entered. Now we should balance the account. 8 plus 4, 12, balance 1, 7, 72. So, to debtors account, bills received. Okay, this is the balancing figure. Here again, okay, the balancing figure 42,000. 30,000 minus 32,000 minus 30,000, 42. Okay, one account over. Now we should calculate the credit sales by preparing the total debtors account. Total debtors account. Here opening, that also opening balance is debit side. To balance brought down. Debtors. Sundry debtors 2,40,000. Then shall we write the closing by balance carry down. In the bills receivable account, we will get very less items, okay. But in the debtors account, we may get little more. So you write little lower, okay. Bills balance brought down, carry down. Sundry debtors closing 2,20,000. Okay. Now that first column over. In the other information, first item is cash received from debtors. So cash account, debtor to debtors account. So by cash 6 lakhs. Then discount allowed to customers. Again by discount allowed. You have to write fully. Okay, discount allowed 25,000. Then third one, creditors. Cash paid to creditors, discount allowed by supplier. It will not come. Then payments against bills payable. It will not come. Then cash received for bills receivable. That also it won't come. Then bills receivable dishonored. Already we have entered here. You see bills receivable dishonored. Debtors account debtor to bills receivable. So if this one on the credit side, here it will come on the debit side. Okay, to bills receivable account 4,000. You see where I am writing this 4. Okay, in the fourth digit we should write. Here bill dishonored. Then here this one we have written. Think better we can write this one also. Okay, bills receivable received. Here bills receivable account debtor to debtors. Debtors credited. So by bills receivable. Bills receivable. Here we can write bills received 42,000. Okay, here we have written. Again you come. Here bills receivable dishonored we have written from the question. The next item is bad debts. That also will be coming here. By bad debts 16,000. Now we have entered all the items. Now we will close the account. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here 7 plus 6, 13. Balance 1, 3, 4, 8, 10, 0. Balance 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So 9,03,000. Right here. 9,03,000. Okay, now you write the difference. 4, if you add 9, 13, balance 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, balance 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. So 6,59,000. This is to sales. Bracket credit sales. Okay, here this is the balancing figure. Now close it. Okay, now the next account is, we will do in the next page. Okay, both related, no? So we will do in the next page. Bills payable account. Bills payable account. Better we can draw the amount column. Okay, for bills payable, for these two accounts we should write the opening balance on the credit side. Okay, by balance carried down. Brought down. Okay, bills payable. Opening 10,000. Then closing to balance, that one opening the credit side, closing debit side, to balance carry down 20,000. Okay, now other information. First two we have entered, okay, debtors, then customers that we have entered. Then cash paid to creditors, it will not come. Discount allowed by supplier, that one creditors account. Payments against bills payable, that one will come. Okay, what is the entry? Bills payable account debtor to cash. Here opening balance this side, the adjustment, the other items here. Okay, that is the shortcut. Even if you do not know something, we can do like that. The next one, cash received for bills receivable, then bills receivable dishonored, bad debts, everything we have here entered. Okay, then that's all. Here 50,000. Bills payable and bills receivable, very less items only will come. Now here the remaining we will do. Okay, 40,000. This one by creditors account. Bills accepted. Okay, that account over. Very less item only coming, but you should not be afraid. Okay, here now total creditors account. Here only we are going to calculate the credit purchases. Creditors by balance brought down. Creditors and bills payable have credit balances. Okay, on the credit side we should write bills. Now creditors account 1,20,000. Closing we will write. Okay, creditors to balance carry down 1,50,000. Now we will come to the next column, other information. First two, okay, written already. Cash paid to creditors, that will come here. Okay, creditors account debtor to cash. You see opening this side, the cash this side. Okay, 3,20,000. Then discount allowed by suppliers. This one we receive. Creditors account debtor to cash to discount received. There discount allowed by suppliers it is given. Actually that is the discount that we receive. Okay, because we enter all the transactions from the viewpoint of the business. So we should write here discount received. Don't write here discount allowed. Okay, 10,000. Then payments against bills payable. This one, that one cash, it will not come. Cash received for bills receivable entered. Then bills receivable dishonored entered, bad debts entered, everything entered. Now you come to this account. Only bills accepted we have to write. What is the entry here? Creditors account debtor to bills payable. So creditors account debtor to bills payable. Bracket bills accepted. Okay, how much? 40,000. That's all. Everything we have entered. Now we will total. 3, 7, 12, balance 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5,20,000. So by purchases. here credit, then balancing figure. Okay, 5,20,000 minus 120, 4 lakh. The amount should be straight to this buy purchases. Okay, so we are closing this one. Okay, now we have completed the 16th that exercise. Okay, you write this one in your notebook and do that one again by seeing the question. Okay, you try to do, and whether you get the answer you have to check. Okay, I have shown you the problem, no? That one you can keep and you can do and see. Okay, whether you get the same answer. Okay, students? And in the next two problems, 17 and 18, only two problems available. Either we can complete one, maybe two more classes we can take, I think. Okay, since the necessary items we have to find out, then the final accounts, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet we have to prepare. So within 1 or 2 days I will complete this lesson 1. Okay, so better you have to do these problems and see whether you are able to do. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you call me. Nowadays nobody is calling and asking any question. When you were in 11th standard, you have asked many questions and you had many doubts, but you do not have any. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why you do not have any doubts. Okay, please watch the videos, and if there is any doubt or queries, you can clear it from me. Okay, students, thank you very much.